From the rugged, beautiful island of Madeira, a legend was born. Cristiano Ronaldo's journey began not in the spotlight, but in humble surroundings. Fueled by an extraordinary dream, his passion for football was undeniable, a fire that burned brighter than any challenge. His family, though modest, nurtured this dream, providing the first crucial steps. Every kick, every makeshift goal, a testament to a future he was building. At just 12, he left home for Sporting CP's academy, a pivotal moment. Demanding immense sacrifice, this was where his legendary work ethic was forged. Days were a relentless cycle of training, pushing his body and mind to their limits. He wasn't just practicing, he was obsessing. Hours spent perfecting free kicks, honing his dribbling, building an unparalleled physique. His discipline wasn't a choice, it was his very nature. This unwavering commitment, often unseen, transformed raw talent into a formidable force. He understood that success wasn't given. It was earned through sweat and dedication, and an unyielding desire to be the best. His move to Manchester United marked his ascent to global stardom. Under Sir Alex Ferguson, Ronaldo evolved, transforming into a complete player. He conquered England, then moved to Real Madrid, where he shattered records and redefined what was possible in football. Iconic goals, crucial assists, and a relentless pursuit of victory became his trademark. But it was his mental fortitude that truly set him apart. He thrived under pressure, turning challenges into opportunities. From Champions League triumphs to leading Portugal to European glory, his journey is a masterclass in mental resilience. Even as he moved to Juventus, his hunger for success remained insatiable. Breaking more records, proving age is just a number when discipline is your guide. Today, Cristiano Ronaldo stands as the highest scorer in football history, a testament not just to talent, but to an obsession for improvement. His legacy is built on relentless hard work, sacrifice, and unwavering discipline. He inspires millions to chase their dreams with the same intensity. Cristiano Ronaldo, the ultimate embodiment of discipline, proving that with dedication, anything is possible.